In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ping someone on Discord, whether you're new to Discord or just looking to get a refresh on some of its features. This guide is going to walk you through the process of directly notifying someone in a chat, making sure they see your message. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to grab the attention of your friends or team members on Discord efficiently. First things first, you need to open your internet browser and navigate to Discord's website. If you aren't already logged in, this is where your journey to mastering the art of the ping begins. Find the login button and prepare to enter your credentials. Entering your email address is the initial step in logging into your account. Make sure to input the email address you used when setting up your Discord account. It might seem simple, but ensuring you've got the right email is crucial for accessing all your Discord chats and servers. Next up, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Remember, this should be the password you chose during your Discord registration process. If you've forgotten it, now might be a good time to use the password recovery feature Discord provides. Once you've accurately entered your password, you're one click away from diving into the world of Discord. Click on the login button to proceed. If all your login credentials were correct, you should now find yourself looking at the Discord home screen. This is your gateway to accessing all the different servers you're part of, as well as your direct messages. From the Discord home screen, you'll want to navigate to your direct messages and friend list. You can do this by clicking on the Friends tab, usually located at the top of your screen, or through a sidebar on the left, depending on any updates to Discord's user interface. This area of Discord lets you manage your current friendships, add new friends, and, most importantly for our purposes today, message them directly. Once you're in the friends area, it's time to begin the act of pinging someone. To do this, start a new message or open an existing direct message with the person you want to ping. At the beginning of your message, type the @ symbol, followed immediately by their username. It's important to note that usernames on Discord are case sensitive and include a unique 4-digit tag. If you're unsure of the exact username, you can start typing after the @ symbol, and Discord will offer you suggestions based on your friend list and people in shared servers. After you type the @ followed by their correct username, their name should become highlighted. This indicates that you're about to ping them. Once you send this message, the person you're contacting will receive a special notification alerting them that they've been mentioned directly. It's a surefire way to ensure your message gets seen amidst the hustle and bustle of busy Discord servers or in a cluttered direct message inbox. Pinging people on Discord is a powerful tool, but it's also one that should be used sparingly and thoughtfully. While it's a perfect way to get someone's attention, overusing this feature could lead to it feeling more like an annoyance rather than a helpful nudge. So, use it when you really need to make sure a message is seen, whether it's for coordinating in gaming sessions, setting up meetings, or just sharing something important with a friend. To summarize, we've covered how to log into Discord, navigate to your direct messages, and ping someone by using the @ symbol followed directly by their username. Remember, the key to effective communication is not just in sending messages, but in ensuring they're received and acknowledged. By mastering the art of the ping on Discord, you're well on your way to doing just that. With these steps, you should feel confident in your ability to notify someone directly and make your messages stand out. Whether you're part of a large server or just keeping up with friends, knowing how to ping properly can improve your Discord experience significantly. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting!